one thing I would like to mention is that the wall mounts are not provided by OnePlus company, so you have to buy it separately from the person who comes to your home for installation. So for 32-inch TV it takes 300 rupees for wall mount, and for 43-inch TV it costs 400 rupees. So you should keep this in mind for OnePlus smart TVs and Android TVs. This is the main problem. Otherwise the service is good and everything else is good. The picture quality and the sound quality, you will see, I have experienced it by myself that it is good, and the sound is also good. So overall I will give 8 out of 10. Booting, and the boot time is also very fast for OnePlus Android TVs. As you can see, it took 10 seconds to totally boot up, and now it is searching for Bluetooth accessories. So you'll have to connect one Bluetooth accessories with it, as the remote which is provided by the TV is a Bluetooth one, so it is searching for the Bluetooth remote. So after you connect the remote with the TV, it will ask for more settings. You will have to provide your Google account details. After that, your Wi-Fi setting. After that, then you will finish up the installation of all the things which are needed for fast boot up. So I have logged into my Netflix account. Now I will show you how the picture quality and the sound quality are. I am playing Breaking Bad, which is one of the popular Netflix shows. with highest IMDb rating and is one of my favorite. So I will personally say that the sound quality and the picture quality both are good. So I will highly recommend this TV to everyone who would like to buy OnePlus TVs. Thank you for watching this video. So for installation of the TV, you will need to install an app called OnePlus Care. So you'll have to open the app. After you get delivered the TV at your home, you will have to open this app, and in the device section you will get all the information about all your devices. So from